recommend parents encourage their children to participate in such competitions. They can be there to support them, share in their joy after a win, and help them cope with the bitterness of defeat. It's also a great way to accumulate experiences. It's not just about the results, it's about the journey, the experiences, and the shared moments of triumph.
I think it's really a fun way to look at math almost like a video game for the kids, having a computer based, having the luxury of picking the right time, competing in a global but yet again safe and friendly environment. It's a great idea to get kids closer to topics like math and having fun also as a family, because we did some preparation together. We helped him in getting connected, so it was a good time spent together. And then I think he really enjoyed running the tests, getting the results, getting the medal, the shirt. It was really a nice moment for all of us, so I really recommend it.
The children in school, they do not focus a lot on problem solving and logical questions. So this type of competition really makes them think and encourage them to look at that aspect. In schools, it's mostly the numerical problems. They do some word problems and all in primary, but the logical questioning like this is not done in schools a lot. So this way, I think the children are really encouraged to do logical questioning, problem solving, and it is very good for their concepts. So I would encourage everyone to go for it. And if your child loves maths, they would love this competition.
Yes, I think it would be wonderful for other children to also participate, even children that possibly feel that math is not their strongest skill. I think a competition such as this can be a great encouragement, and it's enjoyable for us. It's been an enjoyable experience for the whole family, and it's also been an opportunity for the family also to get more connected to the school. So I can highly recommend it.
No, for sure. I think that it's good to support children to participate in a competition like that as well. Like regularly, that maybe more from sports, but especially in the educational sector, I think it's pretty nice to learn something about yourself, to discover yourself, to see how you can solve situations, like especially with time management and stuff like that. So I would say that is a good test, a good challenge to do that. Although I'm not focusing so much on the competition for itself, I think it's more the learning for yourself, which is standing in the center of the story.
Yes, I definitely think other kids should participate. And even if they don't maybe get the highest grade, I think it allows them to participate and see where their level is. And also, hopefully it will enthuse them into learning the mathematical problems, which I mentioned is essential in any career that one goes into. And I think you can instill that in the earliest times as you're growing up, and just setting the mind right for the future. Even if the child doesn't end up doing anything to do with maths, somewhere in human life, in our existence, maths is useful. Even for a day-to-day basis, we have to count things and calculate, not having to take the calculator and do that. We should be able to do that on our head. So I think this maths challenge is obviously mental arithmetic, a lot of it, and I think really crucial in building our brains in those concepts. So I think yes, it's definitely a worthwhile competition for every kid, actually, where it's possible.
I guess it is very important that children attend these competitions, because it gives a really good idea to the parents where they are standing, and it gives the kids also a very good idea about where they are with their math subjects and where they need to improve. I believe that math is a skill for life. Not everybody has to be a mathematician or ace with math, but have some level of understanding and skills in math is something that every one of us needs it for a better life, for a successful life, for a quality life. So it's good actually to help other children to believe that math is not a monster.
I think it's a great opportunity overall to do mathematics in a different way. It's also an opportunity to look at widely across the nation, across the country, on how some of these challenges are taken. And it's a great way to solve problems which are not straightforward in the sense that it's not just what you learn as a formula you apply. It's more application orientated. So overall, I think it's a great opportunity for kids to enroll in something like this.
I would say International Maths Challenge is a great platform, and sometimes these platforms are, I would say, a jump start to what kids can do for learning and in their lives. So I would say that it's a great platform where kids can participate, they can work hard, and if they achieve some good test result, I would say that it would be a great advantage to them as they move forward in terms of their focus on maths. And maths continues to be a key subject what each kid needs to learn. So to me, I think participating in IMC is a great way to connect to maths through a great platform at a world level, and equally see where a kid stands in across different countries and at a world level.